What would you do if your worst enemy was actually your own body? This is what happens to millions of people every single day when they get diagnosed with autoimmune conditions. Diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, diabetes type 1, Hashimoto's disease, thyroiditis, psoriasis, celiac disease, and hundreds of other conditions that in reality are the own immune system of these people attacking their own bodies. There's something that we're doing wrong because we're seeing an increment of these diseases every single day, year over year. And there are many things that we can do to actually reduce the symptoms and basically, if you do them well, see the symptoms go away in order for you to think that you might have eliminated your disease. An autoimmune condition is exactly what the name implies, is an autoimmune, meaning the immune system of that person is attacking the own body. And this happens due to several reasons. Sometimes a genetic factor, sometimes an environmental factor, something that we might be doing every single day. And if something that we're doing every single day is actually changing and worsening our situation, then there are many things we can do to actually reverse this situation. I attend to hundreds of patients every single day, and I can tell you there are many things that change the lives of these patients. Patients of all sorts, depending on the condition, specific changes. But in general, all these changes can actually be applied to autoimmune conditions as a whole. And that's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. But before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised the amount of people that watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. So go ahead and press that bell notification button. If any of this video is of value to you, it's the least you can do, just press a button, and maybe a new video that I do publish can actually, with something I say, even save your life. Number 1, 70% of your immune system lives in and on your digestive system. The immune system is made to protect you for any environmental factor, anything that is coming from the outside into your body or something that you're living that is on the outside affecting your body, and its function is to defend itself or defend you from anything that might be damaging your cells. This is the basic question and the basic form of how the immune system works. Now, where are you going to ingest or put inside your body the most amount of things that might be detrimental to your health? That's your digestive system, everything you eat. And this is why you might have 70% of your immune system in your digestive system waiting to see and to check on and maybe approve or disapprove for you to absorb or not absorb something that might be altering your body as a whole. This is why you have to be extremely careful with what you eat. If you are eating anything that is processed, maybe gluten with pesticides, with toxins, with ingredients that are petroleum based, or something that comes with excessive amounts of chemicals, then obviously your immune system is going to go out of whack. It's going to alter itself, it's going to grow, it's going to worsen the symptoms that you already are on with an immune system or immune system that is not working properly, and is going to make things worse. The first thing you have to do is change the way you eat if you are eating things that are not natural. If you need something natural that can help you restore that probiotic flora, that's going to help a great deal to see that immune system can go back to normal, look for something like Probillion or Woman's Probillion if you're a female, and supplements like Cholapgon, GI Balance, D-Enzymes, or even Metathyroid from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, you have to reduce that chronic stress. Your immune system is made to defend you from anything that is going on that might affect your system, your cells, the way you live. Now, it will obviously attack anything that you're ingesting, but also remain active and increasingly overactive if you're living on a constant stress, worrying about anything, or maybe thinking about things that might happen that do not happen, or situations in your life that you might be going through in your family, with the disease you might be carrying, your job, money, anything that is worrying you is going to automatically activate your immune system to stay alert, worsening the symptoms you have. Reduce stress all you can, get some rest, maybe get some peace of mind or some peace of soul. Sometimes we only need maybe going to mass, listening to some words of comfort, staying in meditation, or practicing prayer. This also helps a great deal with patients that I see every single day treat their conditions, because the reality is that stress plays a very important role in autoimmune conditions and not many people mention it. If you need something natural that can help help you with all this. I do take some of these, and I'm not sick with any autoimmune condition because they really help. Look for 5-HTP, melatonin, Q-Calm, Passion Calm, or Magnezide from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, you need a good schedule that keeps you healthy. Your immune system, your liver, your stomach, every single thing in your body has a time to function, okay? And if you are not functioning properly, you may have a schedule issue in your body. You have a biological clock. And if you're not sleeping at the same time every day, if you're not eating your meals at the same time every day, if you don't have a schedule, daily schedule that you can follow every single morning, every single afternoon, your work, your sleep, the activities you have, your body is not going to be able to regulate simple activities that your body has in order for it to function. Going to the bathroom, detoxifying your liver, detoxifying your kidneys, all these fall into the schedule that you make your body do it. In this case, you need a good schedule and make sure that you follow it every single day, and you have no idea how important this can become. Your immune system functions at a schedule, and it has to function in coordination with every single part of the body with that biological clock in order for things to stay normal and reduce the symptoms that you want to see. Look for something like Boswellia from Fineland. Look for something like Apelize or Metaglucose. All of these are going to help you have energy and at the same time regulate your hormones for this to function. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4, your hormones have to be balanced and in order. When it comes to your body, every single cell in your body obeys to certain hormones that give them information, okay? It might be thyroid hormones, it might be sex hormones, it might be pituitary hormones, it might be sleep hormones, it may be every single process that you have in your body has to do with hormones. Now, if your hormones are out of whack, you're not producing thyroid hormones, you're not having good ovarian hormone production or testicle hormone production, you're not having hormones at a well-balanced level, and you're having hormones through the roof or just disappear in your body, you're going to have autoimmune conditions that you can't control. Remember, your cells respond to these hormones, and if you do not have these hormones, they can't function. And if they can't function, they're tired or they're over-energized, and there is a disequilibrium in your body, creating also a situation for your immune system to grow out of disequilibrium and have this worsen your condition. You need to make sure that your thyroid is working, mainly your sleep is working, every single hormone in your body is in equilibrium and well balanced in order for this to function. How do you do it? You do it with supplements. So look for something like metathyroid, myoinositol, maybe if you're going through menopause, Menofem, and other supplements that are really, really helpful when it comes to autoimmune conditions. Don't forget to give yourself a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.